Today we will be installing a new solution for select Hyundai Sonata models. The Hyundai Sonata 2011 to 2013 with navigation, and the Hyundai Sonata Hybrid with navigation 2014 to 2015. To start the install, remove the left and right panels surrounding the console. After, remove the two 9/32" Phillips screws from the trim panel of the AC controls. Then, unclip and remove the entire panel. Next, disconnect all the cables and harnesses from the back and remove the entire panel. Remove the 4 Phillips screws securing the radio. Then, disconnect all cables and remove the radio. Remove the 2 vents, climate control airbag light and hazard light from the factory kit. Remove the climate control. Carefully remove the vents. Place all buttons into the new dash kit. Remove the hazard button. Attach the panels loosely when lining up the holes. The climate control attaches into the sail panel. After centering the holes, mount the panels to the control with the screws while keeping it in place. Mount the vents on the left and right side of the kit. Mount the vents to the housing with a 1/4" screw to the top location of the vent. And the longer screw fits on the bottom location of the vent. Repeat the process on the other side. Attach the airbag light and secure with screws. Then, snap in the hazard button. Reassemble the dash in reverse order of disassembly to finish the installation. After attaching the brackets to the radio and plugging all harnesses, place the radio to the dash. Secure the radio with the 4 Phillips screws. Afterwards, connect the climate control connectors and the airbag and hazard connectors, then insert the panel into the dash. Secure the new kit with the 2 screws, then snap the 2 trim panels back in. Visit metraonline.com or accessinterface.com for antenna adapters, audio video, and steering wheel control interface options. For any more information on this product or other products like this one, you can visit metraonline.com, find us on Facebook, or follow us on Instagram. Thank you for choosing Metra Electronics. We are 12 volt.